Servicefinder definitely helps us with our work orders because we can do them electronically now. Basically, the mechanics can just, when they're done with a job, instead of writing out a work order on paper, they can just punch it up on the laptop we have in the service bay for them to use.
Now the mechanics fill out their own work orders. So they're going in, they're getting the inventory, putting it in the work order. When they're done closing the work order, and away they go. It's saving us time. It's great for knowing what we need to order, what's coming in, what we can plan for in the future coming in the next week.
With the new Servicefinder, my mechanics are much more quickly able to record parts, add inventory, subtract inventory, produce work orders.
We scan in our registrations and put them there, and now when a driver either misplaces the registration on the bus, which we now have the digital location we can go to and print it out right away. We're not opening up a file cabinet and trying to flip through it.
So it definitely is making us more electronic, and that's my goal with the whole department, is to make us more electronic, but Servicefinder is definitely helping and aiding in that. So it's a very complete program.
Your safety starts in the garage. That's where the transportation connects to the roadways, is the vehicle, the bus itself. In Servicefinder, you can have multiple users, unlimited users, the access to it, and they can get the data that they need. And everything is instantaneous. As long as your mechanics are plugging in their work orders, as soon as they're done, you can see what's done, you can see what's ready, you can see what's coming down the pipeline, and everybody's on the same page. It's not difficult to use. It's actually quite easy to use. You can control your workflow, your inventory. To me, it's fascinating. It goes great in the small operations because you can make sound decisions and you can go to sleep at night knowing that when those drivers get on the road the next morning, their buses are in the right shape.